Rosemount pressure transmitters are highly accurate devices used to measure pressure, level, and flow. These transmitters are essential for keeping track of assets, quality, safety, and environmental concerns. Impulse piping can be susceptible to plugging from material buildup or freezing, which isolates the transmitter from the process and therefore is unable to respond to process changes. If the impulse line pressure gets trapped, the transmitter will continue to provide an output, but the measurement will become inaccurate as the process flow rate changes. This misleading measurement may not be discovered for an extended period and may affect the quality of the product or compromise plant safety. Setting up Plugged Impulse Line Diagnostic is easy. After commissioning the device, simply run the Plugged Line Diagnostic to characterize the measurement signal. The device will automatically configure itself and notify you when a plugged line occurs. Notifications can be sent to the control system or asset management software through Heart Status Alert or Analog Output Alarm. Diagnostic events are tracked in the built-in diagnostic log, so you can see the device status at all times. Use the data to diagnose intermittent issues that might not be occurring when you are connected to the device. The Plugged Impulse Line Diagnostic can help increase process uptime for a more profitable plant, reduce the need for more labor resources, and can eliminate potential failures. For more information, visit emerson.com/Rosemount3051.